Understanding 401k plans and their significance in building wealth for retirement. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of 401k plans, an essential tool for anyone looking to secure their financial future. If you've ever wondered how to effectively save for retirement, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down what a 401k plan is, how it works, and why it's crucial for building wealth as you approach retirement. We'll explore the different types of 401k plans available, the benefits of employer matching contributions, and the tax advantages that come with these accounts. Plus, we'll share some tips on how to maximize your contributions and make the most of your retirement savings. Understanding 401k plans is vital for achieving financial security in your golden years. With the rising costs of living and healthcare, relying solely on Social Security may not be enough. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of how to leverage your 401k to create a comfortable retirement. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started on your journey to financial empowerment. What is a 401k plan? Understanding the basics of retirement savings. A 401k plan is a retirement savings account offered by employers that allows employees to save and invest a portion of their paycheck before taxes are taken out. The primary purpose of a 401k is to help you build a nest egg for retirement, making it easier to achieve financial security in your later years. One of the standout features of a 401k plan is its tax advantages. Contributions are made pre-tax, which means you reduce your taxable income for the year, potentially lowering your tax bill. Additionally, the money in your 401k grows tax-deferred until you withdraw it in retirement, allowing your investments to compound over time without the burden of annual taxes. There are two main types of 401k plans: traditional and Roth. With a traditional 401k, you contribute pre-tax dollars, and you'll pay taxes on withdrawals during retirement. In contrast, a Roth 401k allows you to contribute after-tax dollars, meaning your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Understanding these differences is crucial for making informed decisions about your retirement savings strategy. By leveraging a 401k plan, you're taking a significant step toward a financially secure future. How to set up a 401k plan, a step-by-step guide to retirement savings. Setting up a 401k plan through your employer is a straightforward process that can significantly impact your financial future. First, you'll need to enroll in your company's 401k program, which typically involves filling out some necessary paperwork. This may include providing personal information, selecting your contribution percentage, and choosing your investment options. Be sure to review your employer's plan documents for specific details. One of the most attractive features of many 401k plans is employer matching contributions. This means your employer may match a portion of your contributions, effectively giving you free money for your retirement savings. For example, if your employer matches 50% of your contributions up to a certain percentage, it's wise to contribute at least that amount to maximize your benefits. Choosing the right contribution percentage is crucial. While it might be tempting to contribute the minimum, consider aiming for at least 10–15% of your salary if possible. This will help you take full advantage of compound growth over time. Remember, the earlier you start saving, the more your money can grow. So, take these steps today and set yourself up for a secure retirement. Investment options in a 401k plan, exploring your choices for retirement savings. When it comes to a 401k plan, understanding your investment options is key to building a robust retirement portfolio. Common choices include mutual funds, stocks, bonds, and target date funds. Mutual funds are particularly popular because they pool money from many investors to buy a diversified mix of stocks and bonds, making them a great option for those new to investing. Individual stocks can offer higher potential returns but come with increased risk, while bonds typically provide more stability. Diversification is crucial in a 401k portfolio. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, you can reduce risk and enhance potential returns. This means not putting all your eggs in one basket. Instead, consider a mix of equities, fixed income, and other assets to weather market fluctuations. Your risk tolerance also plays a significant role in your investment decisions. If you're younger and have a longer time horizon until retirement, you might opt for a more aggressive portfolio with a higher percentage of stocks. Conversely, if you're closer to retirement, a more conservative approach with a focus on bonds and stable investments may be wise. Understanding these factors will help you make informed choices that align with your financial goals. Maximizing your 401k contributions. Strategies for building your retirement savings. Maximizing your 401k contributions is a smart way to secure your financial future, and one of the best strategies is to take full advantage of employer matching contributions. If your employer offers a match, aim to contribute at least enough to receive the full benefit. This is essentially free money that can significantly boost your retirement savings. It's also important to be aware of the annual contribution limits set by the IRS. For 2023, the limit is $22,500 for employees under 50, and $30,000 for those 50 and older, thanks to catch-up contributions. To reach these limits, consider increasing your contributions gradually. You can start by raising your contribution percentage by 1% each year or whenever you receive a raise. This way, you won't feel the pinch in your budget while steadily building your retirement fund. Additionally, increasing your contributions over time can have a compounding effect on your savings. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even small increases can lead to substantial growth over the years, making a significant difference in your retirement lifestyle. So, take these steps to maximize your 401k contributions and pave the way for a secure financial future. Understanding 401k withdrawals. Navigating the rules and implications. Withdrawing funds from your 401k plan can be tempting, but it's essential to understand the rules and implications before making any decisions. One of the key factors to consider is age restrictions. Generally, you must be at least 59.5 years old to take withdrawals without incurring a 10% early withdrawal penalty. If you withdraw funds before reaching this age, you'll face this penalty in addition to regular income taxes on the amount withdrawn. Speaking of taxes, it's crucial to understand the tax implications of taking distributions from your 401k. Withdrawals are typically taxed as ordinary income, which means the amount you take out will be added to your taxable income for the year. This could potentially push you into a higher tax bracket, so careful planning is essential. Planning your withdrawals is vital for ensuring a steady income during retirement. Consider your overall financial situation, including other income sources and expenses, to determine how much you'll need to withdraw each year. A well-thought-out withdrawal strategy can help you manage your tax liability and ensure your savings last throughout your retirement. By understanding these rules, you can make informed decisions that support your long-term financial goals. Common mistakes to avoid. Navigating your 401k plan wisely. When it comes to managing your 401k plan, avoiding common pitfalls can make a significant difference in your retirement savings. One major mistake individuals often make is cashing out their 401k when changing jobs. While it may seem tempting to access those funds, doing so can lead to hefty taxes and penalties, not to mention the loss of potential growth. Instead, consider rolling over your 401k into a new employer's plan or an IRA to keep your savings intact. Another critical aspect is the importance of regularly reviewing your investment choices. Many people set their investments and forget about them, which can lead to misalignment with their risk tolerance or retirement goals. Markets change, and so do your financial needs, so it's essential to reassess your portfolio periodically to ensure it remains on track. Lastly, don't neglect your retirement savings. Life can get busy, and it's easy to push retirement planning to the back burner. However, consistent contributions and proactive management of your 401k are vital for building a secure financial future. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can set yourself up for a more comfortable and stress-free retirement. In today's video, we've explored the essential aspects of 401k plans and their significance in building wealth for retirement. Understanding how these plans work is crucial for securing your financial future. We discussed the basics of 401k plans, the various investment options available, and strategies for maximizing your contributions. Remember, taking full advantage of employer matching, being aware of contribution limits, and planning your withdrawals can significantly impact your retirement savings. Key takeaways include the importance of diversification in your investment choices, the need to regularly review your portfolio, and the dangers of cashing out your 401k when changing jobs. By implementing these strategies, you can set yourself on a path toward a more comfortable retirement. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more financial content. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from understanding 401k plans better. Your engagement helps us create more valuable resources to empower everyone on their journey to financial security. Thank you for watching, and here's to a prosperous retirement ahead.